If you ever wondered why your business doesn't show up when customers search for exactly what you offer, this video is about to change everything. I'm Kay, and in the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn the simple method that gets your business found by people who are ready to buy. Let me guess, you've tried stuffing keywords on your website, maybe even paid someone who promised to optimize your SEO, and you're still invisible online. Sound familiar? Comment invisible if this is you right now. Here's what actually is happening. You're speaking business owner, but your customers are speaking human. You say professional HVAC maintenance services, they Google my AC is making weird noises. Watch this. When I search for professional HVAC services, look what comes up. Now watch when I search AC making weird noises. Completely different results, right? Your customers are using the second search, but you're optimizing for the first. This isn't about being smarter or more professional. Google shows results based on what people actually type, not what sounds impressive in a business plan. You've got this. We just need to think like your customers instead of like a business owner. Quick pause. Grab a piece of paper right now and write down 3 ways your customers describe your problems when they call you. Don't overthink it. Just write exactly what they say. We'll use this in a minute. Think of keyword research like being a detective, except instead of solving crimes, you're solving the mystery of what your customers actually search for. And the clues are right in front of you. Your existing customers are giving you gold every time they contact you. Look at this email. Toilet won't stop running. That's a keyword. This review says, fixed our kitchen sink backup. Another keyword. This voicemail mentions emergency plumber weekend. Jackpot. Your customers are literally telling you the exact words future customers will use to find you. It's like having a crystal ball, but better because it's free market research happening in your inbox every day. Now, here's where it gets fun. Go to Google in a private window so your search history doesn't mess with this, and start typing what you think customers search. Wait, don't hit enter yet. Watch what Google suggests. Comment below the weirdest customer language you discovered. I read every comment, and some of these are hilarious. Here's a trick most marketing agencies don't want you to know, because it's completely free. Search for your main service and scroll down to People Also Ask. This section is pure gold. Watch what happens when I click on these questions. More questions appear. These represent real customer concerns. If you can answer these questions on your website using the exact words people search, Google starts to see you as an expert. I know, this might feel overwhelming if you're not tech savvy, but remember, you're not trying to become a digital marketing expert. You're just learning to speak your customer's language better. That's something you're already great at. Last detective move. Google your service plus your city. Look at the top businesses that show up. Visit their websites and notice the language they use. Don't copy them exactly, learn from what's working, and find the gaps they're missing. Pause here and do this exercise. It'll take you 10 minutes and you'll discover keywords you never thought of. Seriously, pause the video. I'll wait. Now, you might be thinking, great. I have keywords, now what? Don't panic, you don't need to rebuild your entire website. Start simple. Add these keywords to your Google business profile naturally. Include them in your service descriptions like a normal human would speak. Put them in your page titles without sounding like a robot. The goal isn't to trick Google, it's to help Google connect your awesome business with customers who need exactly what you offer. When you use the words your customer use, magic happens. You've got this. Yes, even if you think you're not tech savvy. Yes, even if marketing feels like a foreign language. You understand your customers better than any marketing agency could. That's your superpower. Here's what happens next. Take those customer words you discovered today and start using them naturally on your website and Google Business Profile. Track which keywords bring you phone calls and double down on what works. If you want a complete step-by-step system, I've created a free keyword research guide that walks you through everything we covered today, plus some advanced tricks. The link is in the description below. Also, drop a comment and tell me what's one customer phrase you discovered that you never thought to use as a keyword. I love seeing the light bulb moments. And if this helped you, give it a thumbs up so that more business owners can stop being invisible online. Remember, your customers are already searching for what you offer. The question is whether you're speaking their language. You've got this.